guys, we're back with another video, and today we're making some red pea soup. So here are the list of ingredients. If there's anything that is missing, I'll link it down below. So we have our chicken foot, cow skin, cow tripe, also have some gizzard. We have a pumpkin. I buy pumpkin today, but the pumpkin not too beautiful, but we still have to use it. So we have pumpkin, carrot, we have thyme, scallion, garlic, yellow yam, chocho, Irish. We have a pack of coconut milk. We have a pack of Grace pumpkin flavor soup mix. We also have cock flavor soup mix. We have red peas. We have pimento seed. Also got add some clove to it, and we have corn. So this is what we're looking at for right now. We have some cow skin. In this, we're gonna boil it first. So we're gonna scald it off first. And because I scald off the cow skin, I just scald off everything. Gonna add a little vinegar, and this is because of the tripe. And I'm gonna make this boil for maybe like 7 to 10 minutes, and then we throw it off, and then we'll move to the next process. Alright, so after we boil it, we're gonna throw off this and then wash it off and start again. So we're gonna throw off it. And then we're gonna wash it off. So this is what we have. We'll wash the peas and we're gonna add it to the pressure pot. I add the meat. I'm adding all the meat. Some are gonna cook with some, but I like me add to the pot. Add some garlic. So that we're gonna add some pimento seed and some clove. Add some more water. Some bay leaf, right? And we're gonna pressure this. So we're gonna lock this, pressure this. I'm gonna make some dumplings for the soup. So I'm gonna use flour, refined cornmeal. I'm also gonna add a little salt to that mixture. Just gonna combine the ingredients and knead the flour. And I'm using warm water to knead the flour because I think it makes the dough a little smoother. So I always use warm water. Gloves speak. What the devil is it? So when your peas shit and your meat cook, pour them over. To the pot, I'm gonna add, oops, my coconut milk. Once the water starts boil, I can put in the dumpling. Alright? So we'll make some regular dumpling and also some spinach dumpling. Alright, so just make them as good as possible. We'll drop them in. Somebody already make a couple of them, so I'm gonna drop them in the pot. And then we are going with some spinach dumplings. So spinach, I just break off a little piece like that and rub it together. You get your spinach, little piece, just rub them together. Right now it come like that pot you can't hold everything we may have to put tonight. In the can. Lord, this pot full, guys. So 3 pieces of yam. Still have my chocha for add to the pot. Because if you can move this room. Alright, so this is optional. You can just pour it in, but I'm gonna sip it. So if you want your soup nice, rich and thick, you can add the noodle to it. I don't like when my soup too thick, so therefore I'm removing the noodle. Thank God me have a pumpkin soup mixer, because the pumpkin when me buy now I use. So just go stir up the pot now. Alright, so we're not gonna cover the pot, we're just leave it, make it go and do think. I only realize my pot full, so this have to go down little. Before me even try cover it. When it go down now, I taste it to see if it want no more salt or anything else. So we'll just leave that, and it's gonna take it time come together. This a tripe, cow skin, tripe, chicken foot and mash out. Alright, so I'm gonna taste the pot now and find out if it wants more salt or all purpose. Let's see. Fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some all purpose and a little black pepper. Pick up some spice in this. Alright, I'll give this about 5 more minutes and that's it. And this is the final product. We have cow skin, we have chicken foot, we have tripe, we have gizzard, all in one. So this is the finished product. Guys, thanks for watching and hope you try this one. It's that good.